Section 8, traceability, inspection, maintenance, and storage of equipment. Did this used to be Section 9, I think?
It was Section 9 and some information in some appendices, so it's been grouped together into one nice package for you. Lots of general information about inspecting and storing products, what the committee thinks should be, what information should be stored each time you do an inspection. So a lot of general information in this clause, which is excellent to help users when they're not sure what they should be doing.
Yep, so as I flick through here, you still have a maximum inspection table in here, so we can see that there's anchor points at 12 months, components, harnesses, lanyards, 6 months, so webbing-based product, and also if it's in a harsh environment, we recommend on a greater level. The more as I flick through, there's just gives you a bit more information on that.